Unlocking the Power of Inferences in TOEFL Reading. Hello learners! Today, we are going to dive deep into an essential reading skill that's not just crucial for your TOEFL reading section but also in daily life. Making inferences and predictions. By mastering this skill, you'll not only enhance your reading comprehension but also be a step closer to acing the TOEFL exam. Let's get started. Inferences are educated guesses or conclusions that we draw from the available information. They might not be stated directly in the text, but with careful reading, we can deduce or infer these hidden meanings. For instance, if a passage describes a person wearing a heavy coat, gloves, and a scarf, even if it doesn't say it's cold outside, we can infer that it likely is. When reading for the TOEFL, always look beyond the obvious. Ask yourself, what is the author trying to convey indirectly? Predictions, as the name suggests, involve anticipating what might come next in a text. This skill is particularly helpful when you're faced with longer passages. By anticipating or predicting content, you can guide your focus and better understand the material. For example, if a passage is discussing the negative effects of deforestation, you might predict that the following paragraphs could delve into solutions or further consequences. 1. Context is key. Always consider the surrounding sentences or paragraphs. They can provide valuable clues. 2. Question as you read. Ask yourself, why did the author mention this? Or, what could come next? 3. Trust your intuition. Often, your first instinct or understanding of a passage is correct. Rely on your comprehension skills, but also review when necessary. 4. Practice. The more you read and practice inferring, the better you'll get. Start with simpler texts and then advance to TOEFL-like passages. TOEFL might present passages where the inferences are subtle or where multiple predictions seem plausible. Remember, avoid overthinking. The answer choices might try to confuse you. Stick to what the passage is presenting and avoid adding extra information from outside. Review choices carefully. Sometimes, two options might seem correct. In such cases, opt for the one that's more directly supported by the passage. And there we have it. The skill of making inferences and predictions is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. We hope this video has provided you with useful insights into honing this skill for the TOEFL reading section. Best of luck in your preparations, and remember, every reading is an opportunity to practice and learn.